In today's video, I will show you how you can exploit the Polkit Pkexec utility. This vulnerability affects a lot of Linux distributions, so it should be a very useful thing for you to know how to take advantage of it. For this demonstration, I will use the UltraTech room from TryHackMe website. At the end of the video, I will also recommend you another room from the same website where you can practice more if you feel the need to do so. Before we start, we need to make sure we already have access on the target machine, as this is a local privilege escalation vulnerability. So for this, I logged in already on the machine with user R00T. Is not root, is R00T, and obviously we want to get access with root. For this, I already ran the linpiz script, as you can see here, and I discovered this message. Let's see here. Vulnerable to CVE 2021-4034. If you don't know what linpiz is or how to use it, make sure you watch the dedicated tutorial I created for this tool. You will find the link in the description of this video. Now, moving back to our results, we see that this machine is vulnerable to this CVE. This is the exact Polkit Pkexec utility we are talking about. Let's see how we can exploit. It is actually very simple. We just need a script built in C, and we can find that obviously on GitHub. I will place the exact link for this program in the description of this video. All we need to do is to place this script on the target machine, and the easiest way is to copy the raw version of the script. Let's try to find it here on the target machine using a text editor. So let me copy this one, moving back here. Let's scroll down at the end of the linpiz script. Sorry. Okay, what's happening? gedit. Let's call it exploit. Doesn't matter how you call it. Oh, we don't have gedit on this machine. Okay, sorry, let's try with a VI. Maybe we have VI on the target machine. Okay, yes, we do. Okay, paste, we've placed the script. That's it. Now we exit and we save. Just to make sure, let's see if we have something in this. Yes, it's here. Good. Now, once this is done, we have to compile the script. In order to compile the script, we will use this command, gcc exploit -o, and let's say run CVE. Doesn't matter how you name it. Okay, just ignore the error. Oh, don't ignore the error. This is not good. I know what I've done. ls the exploit needs to be a C file, as I said in the beginning, so we will move exploit to exploit.c. Sorry about that. Let's see, yeah, now it's better. Now let's try to compile it one more time. -o, let's say, I don't know, run CVE. Okay, now it should be fine. Okay, we have run _CVE. Now all you need to do to get root is run this compiled script. Who am I? And you are root. As you can see here, the difference between root and R00T. So it's really that simple. All you need to do is place the C file on your target machine, compile it, and then execute the compiled script. Now, before ending this video, let me show you a machine where you can practice and where you can find much more details about this CVE. This room can be found also on TryHackMe, and it is called Polkit CVE-2021-4034. If you click on it, okay, I have some internet connection problems apparently, it's working slowly. Here you have basically everything explained about this vulnerability. The background, how this vulnerability was discovered, what is Polkit, everything about this vulnerability. You also have the practical part, how to exploit. You have even a video tutorial where you can see the entire process. Basically, they will show you the exact thing that I did. But nevertheless, if you want to practice a little bit, it's good. It's a good place to try. Now, thank you for watching this video. And before you go, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and like this video. This would be very much appreciated since creating these videos takes a lot of time and energy. Thank you so much. Till next time.